Hi, in this episode we are going to create the most basic Express application. To do this we must start by importing Express. So we can use require Express, and here we must call the Express function to retrieve our application. Right now we have this app object that we can use, and we can start by use app.listen. We can set up a port, for example 3000. This is what the Express documentation use. If you don't set this, it will use a random port open on your computer. And here you can use a function, so you can, for example, log something to the console. So we can use server started. Great. Right now our application just open a port, create a server, but it doesn't do anything. So you can invoke app.method, and as a method you can use different methods, for example post, put, get. There are even other esoteric methods that you can use, but we start with a simple get method for this example. Here you can set up your root. We are going to use the basic root, for example this pot. If you use this get /, then you must access to localhost port 3000 and then /. If you put something here, for example example, you must access example to see your response to this app.get. So right now we are going to use the app.get and /. So this is the basic path. Here we can invoke a function with a request and a response, and right now you can set something as a response, so you can access the REST object in this way, and you can invoke a method. So we are going to use rest.send. We can pass a string. So this is what we should see when we start the server. So we invoke node index.js. We see server started in the console. Now if we try to access this root, we'll have our response localhost 3000, and here we go, hello world.